Hello friends, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikaldar. In today's video we are about the regular expression is given, means we are finding the context free grammar when the regular expression is given. Regular expression is given means likely to give the regular language, or we can say also the language is given and now we are finding the grammar for that particular language. So regular expression is equals to a plus b bracket star. So the language of that particular regular expression will be, it accepts null a b a b b a b or b a b, like this combination of a's and b's. That star operation we have studied in our first unit, so we can understood how that particular strings we can generate. Okay, now here null to be derived by using the production rule S produces null. We have seen in the previous video also, by using the production rule S produces null, we can derive zero number of A's or zero number of B's, that is null can be derived. Then here we can observe single A and single B also accepted. So for that particular S produces A or B. Suppose that is my second production rule. Then from that particular any combination of A's and B's it will be accepted. For any combination of A's and B's, see here I can write S produces AS or S produces BS. So how it will works? Suppose I am taking that first rule, that is S produces AS. Then I want the A, suppose AB, that particular string. So started with A, now I want B. Therefore S produces, that S can be replaced by BS. AB. Now again I want AB. So S produces AB, that S can be replaced by AS, and now S can be replaced by simply B. Therefore we have obtained the string AB. Likely any combination of A's and B's can be accepted by using these production rules. S produces null, S produces A or B, and S produces AS or BS. So here it is also not necessary to write that particular production. If we want to neglect that, we can neglect, because in that particular production rule, if I replace that S by null, ultimately I obtained S produces A, and in that BS if I replace that S by null, here also I obtain the B. Therefore if I want, I can write that particular line. If I don't want to write, you can write only these two production rules. So how to write the grammar? The grammar is first capital letters, that is non-terminals we used is only single non-terminal, then terminals, small letters, P and S is the starting symbol. So what is P here? Where P is S produces null or AS or BS. Simply we can write only that particular part as a context free grammar of the given language. Here regular expression is given, from that regular expression we have derived the grammar like this. So in the next video we will again see the example of the grammar. Thank you students.